we see here the picture of a van. Now we say the spellings of van. V A N, van. So we write V A N, van, on lines. We see here the picture of an umbrella. Now we say the spellings of umbrella. U M B R E double L A, umbrella. So we write U M B R E double L A, umbrella, on lines. We see here the picture of a table. Now we say the spellings of table. T A B L E, table. So we write T A B L E, table, on lines. We see here the picture of a star. Now we say the spellings of star. S T A R, star. So we write S T A R, star, on lines. We see here the picture of a rose. Now we say the spellings of rose. R O S E, rose. So we write R O S E, rose, on lines. We see here the picture of a quilt. Now we say the spellings of quilt. Q U I L T, quilt. So we write Q U I L T, quilt, on lines. We see here the picture of a pencil. Now we say the spellings of pencil. P E N C I L, pencil. So we write P E N C I L, pencil, on lines. We see here the picture of an orange. Now we say the spellings of orange. O R A N G E, orange. So we write O R A N G E, orange, on lines. We see here the picture of a net. Now we say the spellings of net. N E T, net. So we write N E T, net, on lines. We see here the picture of a mouse. Now we say the spellings of mouse. M O U S E, mouse. So we write M O U S E, mouse, on lines. We see here the picture of a lamp. Now we say the spellings of lamp. L A M P, lamp. So we write L A M P, on lines. We see here the picture of a key. Now we say the spellings of key. K E Y, key. So we write K E Y, on lines. We see here the picture of a jacket. Now we say the spellings of jacket. J A C K E T, jacket. So we write J A C K E T, on lines. We see here the picture of an iron. Now we say the spellings of iron. I R O N, iron. So we write I R O N, on lines. We see here the picture of a hand. Now we say the spellings of hand. H A N D, hand. So we write H A N D, hand, on lines. We see here the picture of a gate. Now we say the spellings of gate. G A T E, gate. So we write G A T E, gate, on lines. We see here the picture of a fan. Now we say the spellings of fan. F A N, fan. So we write F A N, fan, on lines. We see here the picture of an elephant. Now we say the spellings of elephant. E L E P H A N T, elephant. So we write E L E P H A N T, elephant, on lines. We see here the picture of a duck. Now we say the spellings of duck. D U C K, duck. So we write D U C K, duck, on lines. We see here the picture of a car. Now we say the spellings of car. C A R, car. So we write C A R, car, on lines. We see here the picture of a butterfly. Now we say the spellings of butterfly. B U T E R F L Y, butterfly. So we write B U T E R F L Y, butterfly. On lines, we see here the picture of an ant. Now we say the spellings of ant. A N T, ant. So we write A N T, ant. On lines,